Alright, we're gonna take a look at how we can trade evolve on Pokemon Fire Red, Leaf Green on the Nintendo Switch. So here I don't have any friends, so I have 2 copies of the game. So this is gonna be Leaf Green, or rather this is gonna be Leaf Green, this is gonna be Fire Red. So how can we trade evolve? Basically it uses something called proximity. So here you don't even have to be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. You can just go and enter the union room. So I'm just gonna do that real quick, and I'm gonna do the same on the Fire Red as well. So we're just going to enter here, and if you are in close proximity to the other player, oops, you probably aren't able to see it, now I should be able to see it. Okay, so as you can see, we are entering the room, and I'm there on my Leaf Green, and now I'm there on my Fire Red version as well. So as you can see, there's going to be one person. So what we want to do is go here to the trading board, or the lady near the trading board. So we're going to talk to her. Welcome to the trading board. You may register Pokemon for a trade. So we're going to click on register. Which would you like to offer? Oh geez, jump scare. So here I'm just going to offer my Meowth as an example. Okay. Oops, I pressed the wrong button. So I'm gonna go and register my Meowth like I said. Okay, register. And what would you like to trade for? I'm gonna choose a normal type, and the registration will be completed. Now you will go into the second one here, and you just want to go to the trading board. Okay, so go to the trading board, press the A button, and here it's going to show you what you have up for trade. Would you like to trade or make a trade? What would you like to offer? So I'm going to offer this Rattata as an example, so I'm going to click on trade. Please wait a while, now it needs to detect it on the other console. So they're offering us a level 2 Rattata for a Meowth. So will you accept this trade? Sure, why not? We just wanna go and select that. And here, as you can see, currently our consoles are trading between each other. So just like that, I have traded from one console to the other. And if this was a Pokemon that evolves through trade, then it will have evolved. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.